All right, guys, let's jump right into it. I am going to be replacing this round towel bar holder today. And the first thing you do is just remove this set screw at the bottom.
If you've got old eyes like me, sometimes the glasses don't even help. Tell me you can relate in the comments. Can I get a young set of eyes, please? Anyone? I can't see shit. Remove the old support bracket. And just like before, I'm just going to test it. There is a stud there because that screw came out really, really easy. Didn't seem like it was binding anything. But indeed, there is a stud there behind the sheetrock. You see I'm taking a little bit of an angle to make sure I hit that stud with both screws, because this is about 1.25 inches apart. And you see that this bracket here has a little notch in it right here. That's for the set screw, so you want to make sure that's down when you put your screws in. And lastly, let's set the screw. There we go.